This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening Chrome Music Lab and choosing an experiment. Songmaker is the easiest for full songs. Once loaded, set tempo, scale, and pattern length. Start with 120 BPM, a major scale, and 16 beats so you can hear structure immediately. Make sure your speakers or headphones are connected and the tab is unmuted. Then place your first notes or beats on the grid. This first pass gives you a skeleton to refine as you progress. Next, craft the middle section by locking in rhythm and melody together. Start with a repeating drum loop for 4 bars to anchor timing, and then create a melody that moves stepwise with short repeated motifs so it feels memorable. Once done, tweak instruments and volumes to prevent clashes, reduce bass when melody occupies the same register, and pan or vary timbre for separation. Make small edits as you listen. Iterative tweaks are faster than large rewrites in this stage. To finish, shape the track. Add a short intro, introduce a variation or bridge, and create a definitive ending so listeners feel resolution. Once satisfied, export the file or copy the share link and give the project a clear name. If something goes wrong, troubleshoot quickly. If audio stutters, lower instrument polyphony or close other tabs, and if the grid won't update, save, refresh, and reopen the experiment. That final check ensures your track is polished and export ready.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.